Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching for the first time, my name is Aubree and I'm pumped that you're here watching today because I have a really fun video planned. It's something that's been going around, of course, like it does probably every year, but I've made my own little spin on it, and so I'm really excited to share with you guys what I did. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about my fall bucket list, but in a different way. Date night! I just thought this would be such a fun way to do your bucket list because not only are you doing things that you want to do, but then it doubles as date night. So it's like two birds, one stone. Not to sound crude or anything, but you know what I mean. It's really cool. So if you want to see you want to hear my bucket list, see my date nights ideas, then make sure you keep watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe and turn that bell notification on. And if you like this video, make sure you click the like button. But without further ado, I'm gonna share with you guys my fall bucket list / date night jar. Okay. Okay guys, so this probably cost me to like do the whole thing because I didn't paint the bucket, of course. This bucket was $1 at Michael's with 50% off. These little tacks are like super cheap. I don't know where I got it. And then this is just like white marker paint. Then the hardest thing, which I want to say was hard, was painting these sticks. I couldn't find any sticks these colors, but I already had the paint from previous crafts I've done and for like fall crafts I've done. So I had like the antique white, this like light brown color, this red color, this mustard color, and then this burnt orange color. But I painted the sticks, and then I also just went out and got a black Sharpie oil paint marker to write on the sticks. Then inside, if I don't want them to fall, inside holding them a little bit more sturdy so they're all spread out, I have coffee beans in there. So not only does it smell good for some people, like I'm not crazy about coffee beans, but not only does it smell good, but then it also like holds it in place. So I just thought it was a super cute idea that I picked off of Pinterest, and I'm so glad I finally did it. So I'm just gonna start showing you guys. I have 25 in here, so I'm gonna go through them fast. Some of them I have done, so they're just really more date night, but some of them I've never done. So it's gonna double as checking something off my bucket list and also date night. Okay, so we'll just start from the back. First one, go to a pumpkin patch. Of course, it would be in a fall date night jar. Visit a corn maze. I've actually never gone to a corn maze, so that's a fall bucket list. Go on a hike. Yes, I've been on a hike before, okay? This is just, I think, would be fun to do in the fall with the leaves changing and everything, really romantic. Make caramel apples. My mom has done this, but I've never done it. So bucket list, excited for that one. I'm also excited to eat them. Okay, go on a hayride. Never done that. I'm actually gonna start separating them of things I've never done. Never done. Never done, done. Bake cookies. Done this, but I would do this every freaking day if I could, so. But it would be fun as a date, like with my Jakey, to make cookies. Have a picnic. I've had picnics before, not only as a kid, but as an adult. But of course, again, in the fall, why not? It would be beautiful. So this could actually be coupled with going on a hike and then having a picnic, or just having a picnic by itself. So I've done that. Visit an apple orchard. Visit an apple orchard. I've never done this, and I've never gone apple picking, so I think this would be super fun. Bucket list. Go to a fall festival. Never done this, and I'm really excited this year because I've got weekends off, so I'm definitely gonna find one, and we're gonna go to one. Bucket list. Halloween movie night. Of course I've done this, who hasn't, but cute date night. And it's free unless you go get treats, and that's still cheap. Day trip to Park City. I've gone on day trips to Park City, but I've never gone on a day trip to Park City with Jake, so this is gonna be really fun. So this is kind of like bucket list for our relationship / you know, date night. And if you don't know, Park City is a beautiful little town in, what is it? I don't want to say it's northern Utah. It's like eastern Utah. I don't know, maybe I'm completely wrong, but it's beautiful. Cozy up with hot cocoa. Now, this one's cute. And I mean, there's not much more like detailed on the stick, so I'm sure I could make more of a night with that, but that's a really cute idea. Like, I didn't know about these. I wrote them, but I'm just excited reading them out loud. Go to a football game. So this is a little fun fact about me. I've been to high school games before, of course, but I've never been to a college football game or professional, like any game. So that'll be fun to go to a football game this fall. Bundle up under the stars. And I drew little stars. They're terrible, but I did it. Go to a haunted house. Bucket list for our relationship. I hate haunted houses, but I know if Jake's there, I'll be okay. Go horseback riding. That would be a fun date night, especially in the fall. Well, I just dropped another one. Go on a scenic drive. So this one's fun because anything scenic about the fall is beautiful. You know what I mean? Because again, leaves are changing, colors are nice and pretty, and so of course, why not? Free date. I mean, unless you're counting gas. Bake pies. I've actually never baked a pie. Yeah, so that's a bucket list. I'm a very good baker, I think, and from what I hear about from other people, so I'm really excited to bake a pie this year. Carve pumpkins. Bucket list for our relationship. We were together last year, but we didn't carve pumpkins because we're lame. Movie marathon. I figured, you know, Halloween movie night can be like scary movies and whatever. This could be like Harry Potter. We're gonna watch all 8 of you in one day, yo. Take pottery class. A bucket list in every aspect because I've never taken a pottery class. We've never done it as a couple. So it's gonna be like all-inclusive bucket list right there. Go camping. I hate camping, but Jake loves it. So you gotta do what people love. Gotta do things that scare you. Camping scares me because I hate the dark, I hate being outside, and I hate being cold. But Jake will make it better. Bonfire with s'mores. Maybe we'll do that together with the camping. Or we won't. We'll just call it its own thing. But I love s'mores. Like, I love marshmallow. Anything. Love Rice Krispie treats. I make the best Rice Krispie treats. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to share with you my spin or my take on bucket list. Again, a lot of these things I haven't done or I haven't done with Jake, so it counts, okay? It counts. And it was so much fun making this little jar. If you want to see a video on how I did it, I would totally do it again and maybe even give it away to someone if you guys wanted me to. Only if you want me to will I do it. So let me know what you think down in the comments. If you think I should do a video and give this little cute jar away, I'll do it. And if you like this, make sure you click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I think I have fun videos, so don't forget to subscribe. And when you do, turn on the bell notification. But that is it. I'm really excited for what's in store in the next couple of months, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.